In the next minute, I'm going to reveal how you can generate high-ticket commissions with ClickBank or other places like Max Bounty, Max Web, DG Store, Amazon Associates, and more using native ads. This is the exact system that helped me generate passive commissions with affiliate marketing with huge ROI. Truth is, most people struggle with affiliate marketing. They can't get the right traffic to their offers, and they struggle with conversions, let alone high-ticket commissions. It fears somebody promoting a high-ticket offer. They don't believe somebody else will click and purchase a $100 plus offer that you are promoting. Truth is, it doesn't have to be hard. It can be really easy with automated tools and a step-by-step blueprint to follow and implement. Hey, I'm Demetrius, and I've been a full-time digital marketer since 2012. My main goal in my online business is to provide users with automated solutions and premium training. Always tested months by myself, for myself first, to help the newbie affiliate marketer and advanced, but also that one person that wants to learn how to drive traffic to any website or offer and help them monetize these sources for a passive income online. It's time for users to finally get results with affiliate marketing using native ads. I started using native ads with affiliate marketing a few years ago because you can start turning penny clicks into buyer leads and generate 100 plus commissions daily. And the fact that native ads offers the opportunity to connect with the right buyer traffic easily. It's also affiliate friendly. You won't get in trouble like some other known platforms, Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, etc. I've created my own proven 3-step blueprint strategy for you to follow and implement, which basically reveals to you how I find my high ticket offer that solves a problem, and I'm able to match it with a premium traffic source where I'm paying no more than 30 cents per click, which results to high ROI conversions. But in order to generate these results myself, I had been testing my method for months and wanted to automate this for my business as well. So I got with my software partner Alex and explained what I needed to build the software, which eliminates guesswork and discovers winning ads that your competition is running from 12 popular native ad platforms in less than 60 seconds. Spectra does what nothing else does: spies on your competition in any niche, then delivers the exact ads, titles, landing pages, images, and offers, also revealing the exact native ad platforms to run these ads on and the ability to discover many other similar offers on hundreds of other affiliate platforms. So within minutes, you can have your own lucrative done-for-you campaigns running for a massive ROI. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner. First-time users have been making profits in as little as 2 hours. This is also perfect if you're an experienced marketer looking to scale or open up additional income streams, because the system includes industry-leading tracking and split testing tools that make scaling push buttons simple. Let me show you how easy the software makes generating traffic, leads, and commissions from absolute scratch. You can see some of the quick results from the results that I had, and I'm also showing you the actual offer using my software. So what I'm doing here is I'm searching by the keyword of the Dentitox, for example, of the offer that I generated results, and my software goes out and searches all the ads that are running this specific offer. And it also tells me which ad network it's running on. So once I see where this is running, so this is ref content, and I choose the image or the ad or the lander. And it's very important to see what the affiliates are doing. This has to do with the specific offer. So I go out and I replicate this lander and the traffic. Then I head over into my ads and I create a specific ad based on what I found. Once I start running the ads and using the exact titles that I'm getting from the specific offers or whatever I've chosen, I test these results and then I start making sales, and then I know where I'm making the sales from and from the specific ads that I'm running, which widgets, which sites. But this offer and the split testing are upgrades. What you're getting in the front end is finding the ads, the titles, the landing pages. You're also getting a little tool to help you find images based on whatever you are using. We're also giving you the ability to find the same kind of offers on multiple other affiliate networks based on countries and categories and networks. So you'll be able to expand your research with Spectra. Now, Spectra will tell you which ad networks you're going to be able to find. So all this, if you wanted to go and promote something on MGID, you're going to look for ads that are running Dentitox on MGID. But you can actually just use this as any keyword for anything that you want. So you can go out and keep on finding ads that are bringing people hundreds of dollars using affiliate marketing. Isn't that great? You too can generate high-ticket commissions from multiple affiliate and CPA platforms. Our included step-by-step premium training and secret native ads formula makes it easy and fun. There's nothing technical to learn or figure out. The software automates 99% of the process, and we walk you through the rest. Below this video, you'll see real user results. It's working for us, and it can work for you. Right now, you can get a lifetime access for a one-time fee, but you must hurry because soon the price will jump to a monthly subscription. You're also getting several profit-boosting bonuses included with your license. We're so confident you love Spectra that you're covered by our no questions asked money back guarantee. Test drive it yourself for 30 days, and if you don't like it, your money back. It's that simple. If you're ready for a real traffic solution, grab your license now while the one-time special price lasts.
Okay, you have come to Melissa's review software affiliate courses tutorials site for helping you grow your income from home. Right now I am looking at Spectra with their native ads spy app, and I'm just going to scroll down to show you their bonuses that they are talking about adding on with their software system right here. So bonus 1, they have do it for you templates. Bonus number 2, CPA Bootcamp, premium CPA affiliate marketing course covering Facebook ads and Bing ads. Bonus 3 is CPA Freebooter, and the bonus number 4, real case study revealed inside of the winning widgets and sources of the real life case study inside. So right now it's 27 bucks. Click here for instant access, and what I'll do as a special exclusive is attach 20 additional bonuses, over $10,000 worth of my own bonuses included with Spectra's bonuses, plus everything that they have just spoken about to gain you income right away. So thank you so much for checking out this particular special for Spectra. And if you grab the link right now, the price is only 27 bucks, and I'm going to add plus their bonuses plus my bonuses. So it's a super deal for today. I wanted to kick off Monday with something awesome for everybody, and I hope that kickstarts your week, gets a great couple of incomes coming in, a couple of streams of income coming in, and let me know what you think of it. All right, like and subscribe, and I'll come back soon and bring you another great money-making source.